Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of AP Calculus tutorial. I'm your personal math coach TC. So today we're going to evaluate this integral, the integration of e to the power of x times sine x. So to solve this integral we need a special technique that's called integration by parts, and note that it is a BC topic, so if you're taking AB you might not need this. Alright, so let's just get started. Alright, so e to the power of x times sine x. Okay, we're going to integrate this. Alright, so according to integration by parts, if we're integrating u dv, it will become uv minus integration of v du. Okay, so our first task is to determine which one should be the v and which one should be the u. Alright, so sine x should be the u here, and e to the power of x times dx should be the dv. So let's continue. It's equal to u times v. So v is the antiderivative of e to the power of x, which is still e to the power of x, right? So it's e to the power of x times sine x, minus v du. So it's e to the power of x times du, which is the derivative of sine. So it becomes cosine x dx. Alright, let's continue. So it's e to the power of x sine x minus. I should note that e to the power of x times cosine x still needs integration by parts one more time. So we still set cosine x as our u and e to the power of x times dx as the dv. So it becomes u times v, which is still e to the power of x times cosine x minus the integration of v du. It becomes e to the power of x times negative sine x dx. Okay. Alright, it seems that it's no simpler than our original one, and it appears as if we have accomplished nothing because we have arrived at exactly the same thing, e to the power of x times sine x, which is where we started. But if we treat this like an equation and the integration of e to the power of x times sine x is the unknown that we're going to solve for, then we still have some hope. Alright, so let's just continue. So e to the power of x times sine x minus e to the power of x times cosine x. And then we have negative, negative, negative. So we got three negative signs. So it's negative minus the integration of e to the power of x sine x dx. Alright, so the first step will be the magical step. We're going to move the whole integral e to the power of x times sine x to the left hand side and combine it with our original integration. That will make it 2 times e to the power of x times sine x dx, and it's equal to e to the power of x sine x minus e to the power of x times cosine x. Dividing both sides by 2, we get this. The integration of e to the power of x sine x becomes e to the power of x, factor it out, times sine x minus cosine x divided by 2. Alright, so that's how we evaluate the integral of e to the power of x times sine x. Leave a like if you find this video helpful, and leave a comment if you have any question, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.